Hello students, we will continue The Merchant of Venice Act 3 Scene 2 Part 7 for class 10. In the previous video we learned that Bassanio thinks that his words, he was praising Portia's portrait, but the beauty of Portia's picture exceeds his praise, means he was speechless by seeing the portrait of Portia. But when he looks at Portia, he feels that the portrait cannot do justice to real Portia, because the real Portia's beauty is something which cannot be expressed in words. She was so beautiful, and Bassanio compares himself with a fighter who is waiting for the confirmation whether the applause, the praises from the audience was for him or for the opponent. And Bassanio just cannot believe he has become Portia's husband. He is so happy and excited that he wishes to make sure, but from Portia herself. He wants the confirmation from Portia. Now let's see, students, Portia's speech. Portia, you see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand, such as I am, though for myself alone. Now, students, why is Portia saying that you see me, Lord Bassanio, where I stand? To answer this question, that earlier Bassanio said that he was standing in doubts and wanted her confirmation. That is why she says that you see me, I am standing in reality and not in your imagination. Okay, now let's see the next line. I would not be ambitious in my wish to wish myself much better. Students, here you will find the another feature or another character of Portia, that she is very modest. However, she herself knows that how beautiful she is and how rich she is, but she is not expressing that in front of Bassanio. Yet for you, I would be troubled 20 times myself. Troubled means thrice. 20 times means 60 times myself. 1,000 times more fair, 10,000 times more rich. So here, students, you will find that Portia is so modest. She is showing her modesty, that to be worthy of Bassanio, Portia wishes that she was 60 times better than herself, means better than what she is now, 1,000 times more beautiful, and 10,000 times wealthier. She desires to excel in everything. She desires to shine in everything that she has for Bassanio's sake. That is why you can find here that Portia has presented herself in a very modest way. She is not at all proud of what she is. Next, students, you have to remember the numbers. Okay, 1,000, 60, 10,000 times. You have to remember these numbers. That only to stand high in your account. So here Portia proves that she is nothing in front of Bassanio, and she wished to stand worthy. She wished to stand respectful in the eyes of Bassanio. I might in virtues, beauties, livings means positions, friends, exceed account, but the full sum of me is sum of something. Now, students, please note down that what here actually Portia wants to state, that she wants to stand high in his estimation, means to stand worthy in the eyes of Bassanio, and for that she wishes that she should excel in virtue, in qualities, in beauty, property, and friends. Then you can see, but the full sum of me. Here full sum of me means the sum total of her, would be something which may be expressed best what she is as an inexperienced girl. Inexperienced, untrained, uneducated girl. This is real Portia according to Portia herself. That means that she has presented herself as a very modest, inexperienced and uneducated girl in front of Bassanio. So Portia means that she is an inexperienced, untrained girl who has no formal education. It shows her modesty as she is not proud about what she has and what she is. Now, happy in this, she is not yet so old. Now you will find the words happy, happier, happiest. You can see degrees of comparison. Now, this is very important for you that why is Portia happy, happier and the happiest? Portia is happy that she is not too old. You can see happy in this that she is not yet too old. So old means she is young to learn anything. Happier, she is not bred so dull that she can learn, means happier that she is not so dull that she could not learn anything, means she can learn. And happiest, why she is the happiest of all, is that her gentle spirit, the gentle disposition, she could easily be handled or tackled, or because she entrusted, she surrendered herself to Bassanio to direct her. You can see the words that she handed over to be directed as from her lord, her governor, her king. Lord, governor, king refers to Bassanio. She had totally committed herself to Bassanio, in the hands of Bassanio. So here you can see that Portia had not only herself, along with herself, with everything, she has handed over to Bassanio. Myself and what is mine, myself means I, and what is mine to you and yours is now converted. But now I was the lord of this fair mansion, master of my servants, queen over myself. And even now, but now this house, these servants and this same myself are yours, my lord. Now you can find here that how Portia offered herself, her house, her servants, everything, like a true generous wife. She handed over everything to Bassanio. This shows her love for her husband and desire to please him. Students, you can see that in this passage so many now, many times now, 2-3 times now has been used. So the first now refers to a little while ago she was the mistress of everything, house, servants, her body, soul, everything. But even now, but now means from now, at this moment, from the present time, all the possessions of Portia and Portia herself belongs to Bassanio. I give them with this ring, which when you part from, lose or give away, let it presage the ruin of your love. Underline the word presage. Presage means to be the indication or to be a sign of, okay. And be my vantage means advantage or opportunity to exclaim on you. Now, in what ways, on what conditions does she give the ring to Bassanio? Portia gives an expensive wedding ring to Bassanio, saying that he should not part with it any time at any cost. If and when he parts with it, it will be the sign or indication of his dead of his love, or his diminishing, reducing love for her, and that will give her an opportunity to accuse him for that. So the last two lines are very important, that Portia warns Bassanio that if he parts with the ring or loses it or gives it away, that will be a sign that his love for her is no more and it will give her the right to accuse him. Now let's see Bassanio's reaction. Madam, you have betrayed me of all words, only my blood speaks to you in my veins, and there is such confusion in my powers as after some oration fairly spoke. So what was Bassanio's reply? Bassanio says that he is deprived. Betrayed means deprived of words. Only blood is running in his veins can show his emotions, that he is alive. But there is so much of confusions in his thoughts, like that one follows after the speech of a prince at the applause of the delighted audience. He was confused. His joy is mixed with confusions, so it cannot be expressed. He promised that when the ring would leave his finger, it would be a sign that Bassanio is dead. In other words, he will not part with the ring till he dies. So here we can see that Bassanio is overjoyed with such love and respect showered on him by Portia, and he feels him worthy of himself and is overjoyed that he is speechless. No words are there to express his emotion, his joy and love for Portia. Students, this scene is very important and you have to be thorough with each and every line and words. So that's why I'm moving a bit slowly, passage wise, extract wise, so that you will be able to understand it properly. So please go through this and I shall continue in my next video. Thank you.